If you're seeing OneDrive Error 2603, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get OneDrive working again quickly. This error is often caused by a network issue, a VPN conflict, incorrect date and time settings, a broken OneDrive sync state, or even corrupted internet settings. The good news is that you can usually fix it without advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Open your web browser and visit a few different websites. This is just a quick way to check whether your internet connection is working properly. If the websites do not load, reconnect to the internet before opening OneDrive again. A weak or unstable connection can trigger sign-in and sync errors, including error 2603. Next, if you are using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with OneDrive's connection to Microsoft servers and block the sign-in process. Once the VPN is disconnected, open OneDrive and try signing in again. In many cases, that alone is enough to resolve the issue. If OneDrive still is not working, the next thing to check is your date and time. Right-click the clock on the taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on, and also turn on Set Time Zone Automatically. Incorrect system time can cause authentication problems with Microsoft services, so this step is very important. After changing those settings, restart OneDrive and test it again. If the error continues, it's time to reset OneDrive. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box, then type C:\program files \Microsoft OneDrive \OneDrive.exe /reset and press Enter. After that, wait about 2 minutes. This gives OneDrive time to reset its background process. Once the wait is over, open OneDrive again from the Start menu and try signing in. Another helpful fix is restoring your internet settings. Press Windows and R again, type inetcpl.cpl and press Enter. This opens Internet Properties. Go to the Advanced tab, then click Restore Advanced Settings. After that, click Apply and then OK. Restart your computer so the changes fully take effect. Sometimes browser or network configuration issues can affect OneDrive, so this step can clear out hidden problems. If none of those methods work, reinstalling OneDrive may be the best option. Press Windows and I to open Settings, then click Apps. Find Microsoft OneDrive in the list and click Uninstall. After it finishes, restart your computer, then install OneDrive again and sign into your account. A clean reinstall can fix damaged files or broken app settings that are causing error 2603. Try these steps in order, and in most cases, OneDrive error 2603 should be gone by the time you finish. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.